Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can blur just a certain part of your video in CapCut, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to blur a certain part of your video in CapCut, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to the part of your video where you want to start blurring. And once you're on that part, next, I want you to split the video. And for the next step, I want you to go to the part of the video where you want to end the blurring. And once you're on that part, you can now split the video like we did earlier. And after splitting, next, I want you to duplicate this part. And after that, I want you to place the video's duplicate to the overlay. And then position it on the same level as the original. And after that, you can now add the blur effect. And after that, I want you to tap the object in the toolbar. And then select Overlay. And then next, go and select the overlay video. After selecting, I want you to go to the mask option on the toolbar. And then select the rectangle. And after that, you will now have the blur, so just resize and position it to the part of the video that you want to blur. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now blurred a certain part of your video in CapCut. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.